Did you know that Vikings believed that sneezing could kill you? One theory is that they thought that sneezing could eject your soul from your body, and it didn't matter if you were a warrior or a peasant. If you sneezed, you were one step closer to the afterlife. They believed that a sneeze was like a spiritual eject button. One, achoo, and boom, soul gone. That's why saying bless you wasn't polite. It was an emergency soul rescue. Vikings even wore amulets to keep their soul from slipping out mid-sneeze. Imagine choking on a necklace every flu season. And if you sneeze during battle, congrats. You might accidentally haunt your own army. To be fair, after a sneeze that loud, even the Norse god Odin probably jumped. So next time you sneeze in public and someone says bless you, just say thanks. I needed that soul back up.